Smith. Murray out of the pocket. 7 seconds. 6 seconds. Murray heaves it downfield. It is. Oh, it's caught. It is caught. DeAndre Hopkins. Miraculous.
But I think, can the receivers get far enough down the field?
Rodgers in trouble.
It's going to get there.
He turned 32 yesterday. Does he have a vintage moment in him? In the end zone, it is caught for the win. Richard Rodgers with a
2 seconds to play. Here we go. Dalton going for it all. Tip in the air, caught by the Bengals. A.J. Green.
What a mistake.
Again, Rodgers is going to roll away, throws it up in the air, says a prayer, and Janis does he stop it?
Look at this throw.
Unbelievable.
Completely falling away, pressure in his face, and he launches.